Mr. Krushil, and thank you for inquiring about the Genesis G80 Sport. As you can see, I've got one right here on the showroom floor. Comes with 360 camera, smart cruise, honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights, front sensors, daytime running lights, 19-inch alloy wheels, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, panoramic sunroof, proximity key, 365 brake horsepower. Let's take a look inside. This also has for heated rear seats. Also comes with touchscreen, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, heated steering wheel. Also comes with lane keep assist. It has so many features on this, I'll have to get you in to drive the car. But the great thing about the Genesis is you get a 3-year, 36,000 mile complimentary valet service. You also get a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which are exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. I am your Genesis specialist, 205 720 6581.